Air Jordan 40 Rui Hachimura delivers a composed update to modern basketball footwear, blending performance engineering with subtle cultural storytelling. Built with a deep navy textile upper, the shoe focuses on lightweight breathability and flexibility, allowing natural movement during fast-paced play. Reinforced with sashiko-inspired stitching, the structure gains added durability while reflecting heritage design cues connected to Rui Hachimura. A zippered shroud covers the midfoot, offering a secure and locked-in fit while reducing lace pressure and enhancing stability. The glossy mudguard around the toe strengthens high-wear areas, making the pair suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Underfoot, responsive Zoom air cushioning delivers impact protection and energy return, supported by a sculpted midsole that maintains balance during lateral movement. A semi-translucent outsole ensures reliable traction, while metallic Jumpman branding and a custom insole complete the identity. Expected to release in summer 2026, this model may arrive in limited quantities across select markets.